BMW's funky little electric-powered CE02 is neither a motorcycle nor a scooter, says BMW Motorrad product manager Sarah Hahn. Instead, she calls it an eParkourer, a reference to parkour, a sport developed in France that's part running, part acrobatics, participants leaping and diving and rolling as they race through urban landscapes as quickly as possible. Now, the CE02 is not about to scramble up walls, jump between multi-story buildings, or tumble over ledges. But after a test ride through the streets of Cascais, the seaside resort town just north of the Portuguese capital, Lisbon, we'd have to say the little BMW two-wheeler is a fun way to navigate the urban jungle. Cancelled. Two versions of the CE02 are available. The entry-level machine, which is not coming to the US, has the power output of its e-motor limited to 5 horsepower, which means it can be ridden in some European countries by 15-year-olds and car drivers who do not have a motorcycle license. It has a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a single battery that gives it a range of about 28 miles. The full-fat model boasts 15 horsepower that pushes top speed to 60 miles per hour. Peak torque of 41 lb-ft is identical to that of the low-power model, and comes standard with 2 batteries that increase range to about 56 miles. Now, if you're a motorcyclist, those numbers are not about to blow you away. But the CE02 is not about straight-line speed or getting your knee down through a fast corner. It's designed to nip and tuck through traffic on city streets littered with speed humps and potholes. BMW CE027. View Gallery. Gallery icon. 28 photos. Right arrow. The CE02 has a double-loop tubular steel frame, telescopic 1.46-inch diameter front forks, and a single die-cast aluminum rear swing arm controlled by a shock absorber with an adjustable spring base. The e-motor sits low in the frame, close to the swing arm pivot point, and drives the rear wheel via a toothed belt. Wheels are 14-inch cast alloy, shod with meaty tires, 120/80 at the front and 150/70 at the rear. Brakes are disc front and rear, the front rotor modulated by BMW Motorrad's anti-lock braking system. The CE02 also boasts traction control and a stability control system that prevents the rear wheel skidding under regan on slippery surfaces. The CE02's 1.96 kWh air-cooled lithium-ion batteries are located under the removable seat. The 15 horsepower model's additional battery is available as an option on the 5 horsepower model to increase its range, and the standard 0.9 kilowatts external charger will take them from a 20% charge to 80% in less than 3 hours from a conventional home socket. An optional 1.5 BMW's funky little electric-powered CE02 is neither a motorcycle nor a scooter, says BMW Motorrad product manager Sarah Hahn. Instead, she calls it an eParkourer, a reference to parkour, a sport developed in France that's part running, part acrobatics, participants leaping and diving and rolling as they race through urban landscapes as quickly as possible. Now, the CE02 is not